Chika Minute! New project ni Donnie Pangilinan, Usap-Usapan Online. Donnie Pangilinan to star in upcoming Dreamscape production. Another solo project for the matinee idol. True Pose on Saturday, July 12, ABS-CBN Studios production, Unit Dreamscape Entertainment shared an update about Kapamilya actor Donnie Pangilinan. The 27 years old will be seen as still untitled upcoming project to be produced by the group with the caption reading, Donnie Pangilinan in a new Dreamscape project. Say less. Yup, we're back at it and ready it further. End of picture. Donnie was seen with his mother, actress Maricel Laksa Pangilinan, ABS-CBN bosses Carly Vidanes and Lorente Jogue, and Dreamscape head Kylie Manalo Malagtas among other people in their room. At umani nga yan ang samot-saring komento ng mga netizens. Sabi nga ng isa, I closely follow DB pero mukhang hindi lang naman sila yung LT na nag-change stereotype daw kuno kasi they have individual projects while being an LT. Most of the love teams sa New Gen ay may solo projects na talaga like other Viva love teams. Kedlex, Francit, Barda na lang ang alam ko na nakailang solo na. Yung DB ngayon pa lang sila nagkakaroon ng solo projects and continues yung love team projects nila for the past 3-4 years. I feel like hindi na kasi super kinakagat yung love teams ngayon na paulit-ulit since there's a wide variety of shows to watch like K-dramas or Western series na accessible na sa Netflix or other streaming platforms. Ang naisip ko kaagad, bagong teen show. I keep forgetting he's already 27. Ay naman sa isa, sana makita natin ang improvement niya, lalo sa acting. His CBML and Red Flag performance were promising na wishing na through more workshop, mas lalo natin makita potential niya. Proud of Don Belren na apart from their works together, nakakaya rin nila na mag-work solo. Ay naman pa sa isa, sana wag siya isali sa Kibi Germs Red Serie. Hirit pa lang isang netizen, parang primetime ata yung kila Catherine Bernardo at James Reid. Tas itong kay Donnie, I Want exclusive. Di ako sure kasi nag-guest si Donnie Don sa I Want ganap last time. Ay naman kay Television Note 337, this exclusively for I Want. Sana mag-documentary siya. Ay naman kay Odd Cardiologist, iba naman sana, wa-epek yung acting niya. Nepo baby yung dating, haha. Ay naman kay June, he needs more workshop, as in more na more pa. Ay naman kay Anxious, solo era din pala ngayon si Donnie, hindi naman siguro siya isasama sa project ni James Reid. Naman kay Okay District 2316, mukhang di naman yan mag-aaway mga fans ng Donbell at Catcakes pag nangyari yan.